Okay. So, good evening ulit sa inyo guys. Welcome back. Welcome sa first batch of WordPress Bootcamp. So, for today, we will just have a little bit fundamentals ng WordPress. Then we will proceed sa hands-on. So, from very beginning, I will teach you how to create WordPress. We will create a blog site and at the same time, online store. Okay. So, yun. Yes, we can review. Yes, para ma-review niyo later on. Okay. So, okay, hindi ko daw ma-zoom. Okay, so let me just share my screen. Okay. Ayan. Okay. So, welcome to the WordPress Bootcamp. So, ano nga ba guys yung WordPress? Okay. So, sabi ko dito sa slides, pag sinabing WordPress, it is a publishing software or it is also a web application to create a beautiful website or blog. So, yung WordPress daw, ginagamit namin yung WordPress for blogging, for company website, and at the same time, we are also using it as online store. So you can create an online store with WordPress. Okay, so sabi dito, it's just maybe easiest. It just maybe the easiest and most flexible blogging and website content management system or CMS. Totoo naman eh. So bakit nga ba WordPress yung ginagamit namin? So we have different web application na tinatawag. So number one, we have WordPress, we have Joomla, we have Magento, and Drupal. So isipin nyo na lang itong mga web application na to, magkakapatid sila or parang relative sila. So you can create a website using WordPress. You can also create a website using Joomla. And if you are into e-commerce, you can also use Magento. And you can also create a website under Drupal. Okay? So once na nag-purchase tayo ng tinatawag na hosting, automatically makikita natin itong mga web application na to. So they are all free. Okay, so ano ba yung mga kailangan mo para makapag-create ka ng WordPress? So number one, okay, ito yung mga kailangan mong bilhin before ka or kailangan mong gawin before ka makapag-create ng WordPress website or website. Okay, so number one, we have domain. Okay, ano ba yung domain? For example, ang domain guys, ito yung address ng bahay nyo. Okay, let's say for example, yung address mo sa Pilipinas is you're from Pasig City. Then sa Pasig City na you have a specific address. So sa website naman, kailangan meron tayong tinatawag na address or URL. Okay, ito yung kailangan mong i-purchase kapag ikaw ay gagawa ng website. Okay, number two, we have the hosting. Okay, sa hosting naman, imagine niyo guys, ang website kailangan din siya ng parang bahay. Kung ang tao kailangan ng bahay, syempre si website kailangan din ng bahay. Okay, so sa bahay na yan, dinalagay dyan yung mga images, yung content, okay, tapos yung mga ano pa, basta more, yung lahat ng mga nakikita nyo sa website, nakalagay dyan or nakasave lahat dyan sa hosting. Okay, so parang sa tao din, ang tao kailangan ng bahay para may mapaglagyan ng mga gamit. Okay? So number 3, kailangan mo ng themes. Okay? Yung themes na yan yung design ng website mo. Okay? Number 4, para maging interactive yung website or maging functional, okay, maging ano ba? Para ano bang magandang term dito? Para yung website mo maging parang interactive or pwedeng magamit ng user, kailangan mo ng tinatawag na plugins. Okay? And number 5, kailangan mo ng contents. Okay? So sa content na yan, kailangan mo ng images, kailangan mo ng video, kailangan mo ng writings. Okay? So ito yung main concern or main bagay na kailangan natin gawin before tayo mag-create ng website. Okay, so number 1, we have domain. Number 2, we have hosting. Number 3, we have themes. And number 4, we have plugins. And last but not the least is yung contents. Okay? So bakit WordPress? bakit ginagamit yung WordPress? Okay? Number one, sabi ko dyan, it's free. Totoo, it's free. So, sir, ba't kailangan namin magbayad? Actually, ang binabayaran nyo lang dyan is yung hosting, yung domain tsaka yung hosting. Once na meron ka ng hosting tsaka domain, kailangan mo na lang install yung WordPress. So, wala ka nang babayada na additional doon. Okay? So, number two, sabi dyan, responsive. Pag sinabing responsive, kapag nag-create ka ng website sa laptop mo or sa computer mo, automatically, kung ano yung place mong mga content sa computer or sa website, automatically pag vino mo siya sa mobile mo, yung pa rin as is pa rin yung yung makikita mo. So parang magbabago lang yung mga placement, pero as is pa rin yung makikita mong design sa mobile mo or sa tablet. Kaya siya tinawag na responsive. And number three, easy to modify. Totoo naman. So all you have to do is to upload, drag and copy and drag, then paste. Ganun lang kadali yung WordPress. So you don't need any, sabi ko dito sa number 5, you don't need or no programming code knowledge. Kahit wala kayong basic knowledge pagdating sa HTML or yung hyperlink, hypertext markup link. Okay? Nothing to worry kasi hindi mo naman kailangan mag-coding dito. So ang kailangan mo lang naman is drag and drop, tapos upload lang, tapos konting design, may website ka na, may blog site ka na. Okay? And sabi dito, user-friendly. Okay? So mamaya makita nyo kung gaano siya ka user-friendly. Okay? And number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6. Okay? So number 6, sabi ko dyan is SEO or Google-friendly. Okay? Totoo naman kasi yung WordPress, pwede mo siyang latagan ng SEO. Diba? So kami, ang ginagawa namin kapag yung website ay gawa sa WordPress, mas madali sa amin i-optimize yung website. Okay? So I think we can start na, no? All we have to do is to log in or first thing to do is to purchase yung hosting and domain. So sa hosting, okay, I will give you some reference here. You can purchase your hosting and domain sa GoDaddy, okay, Bluehost, Only Domains, and HostGator. Actually, marami pang iba eh. So you can also try to look some hosting provider. Pero ito yung mga pinaka-main, mga sikat na hosting provider. You can go here tapos purchase your domain and hosting. Okay, so basically lang ginagamit is GoDaddy. Paminsan kapag yung domain is specifically sa ibang bansa, like for example, gusto ng client is .ph or .us or .uk, bumibili ako dito sa Only Domains. Kasi paminsan yung GoDaddy, wala silang ino-offer na mga domain na nakalagay is .ae or .us or .uk. Okay, so ang ino-offer lang nila paminsan .com, .org. Okay, paminsan naman nakalagay is etc. etc. So XYZ I think and .blog. Okay. Okay, see, I think may nag-raise ng hand. Yes, Miss Bless, and may question. Okay. Sorry. Hindi daw kita yung screen. Sorry. Sorry guys. Sorry. So, okay na? Nakita nyo na yung screen ko? Ayan. Okay na? Kita na? Ayan. Okay. So, let's go back again, no? So, we have different hosting provider. Ito, linista ko dyan. We have GoDaddy, we have Bluehost, we have Only Domains, HostGator, at sobrang dami pang iba. Okay, pero ito yung mga main na makikita mo online if you're looking for a hosting provider. Okay, so basically ito ang ginagamit ko dito pinaka-main is yung Only Domains and GoDaddy. Kasi si Only Domains, they are offering, for example, yung website ni client gusto niya is, let's say, www.xyz.ph. Okay. Tapos, for example naman, www.xyz.sg. Let's say for Singapore, di ba? But dito sa GoDaddy, I think hindi siya possible yung mga ganitong extension ng domain. So, pag hindi ko nakuha yung gusto kong domain dito or ni client, I'll jump sa Only Domains. Okay? Question. Kahit walang nagtanong. Okay. Sir, may pagkakaiba ba sa .com and .ae? May price difference pa? Answer is yes. Kapag .com, okay, normally ang price niyan, okay, let's say for example www.xyz, okay, normally ang price niyan is pumapatak lang ng let's say $4 per month. Okay? Kapag naman let's say xyz.ph, ang price niya is paminsan pumapatak ng $12, I think, per month. Okay? Ang pinakamahal na nakita ko is yung xyz.sa is Saudi Arabia. And yung cost niya is pumapalo ng $100 per month. Yeah. This is Saudi Arabia. Okay? Kapag .commercial, .com means commercial. And kapag yung .ph, that means Philippines, sometimes parang ganito siya, xyz.edu means education, or paminsan naman paminsan is .org means organization, at marami pang iba. Okay? Coach, sabi ni Bless, Coach, saang category po magfo-fall ang SAMP? Okay, actually ang SAMP, okay, yung SAMP guys na tinatawag, okay, yung SAMP, okay, database po yan. Standalone database. Meaning to say, siya yung magsaserve na database mo kapag gagawa ka ng offline WordPress. Okay, so kung wala kayong pambiling hosting tsaka domain, you can use SAMP. Okay, meron tayong tinatawag na offline WordPress. But still, you have to have internet para makapag-download kayo ng themes, makapag-download kayo ng images, makapag-download kayo ng plugins. So, yun. So, yung SAMP is a database. Okay? Yung database na yan, kukonect mo yan doon sa WordPress mo. Para itong database nito, it will serve as your hosting. Okay? So, kung offline gagawin nyo, you can use SAMP. Okay? So, since ang gagawin natin is online, we don't need SAMP. Okay? Kasi yung hosting, it will serve as our database. Kasi may cPanel na tinatawag. Okay? So, yun. So depende sa URL extension yung price. So if it is .commercial or .com, magpapalo lang yung price from $4 up to $5. Paminsan may $1.99. So kapag mga ganitong extension na ng domain, pumapalo siya ng mas mahigit pa sa $10. Okay? Tapos mga .edu, I think it will cost you siguro mga less than $10 din pababa. I'm not pretty sure. Okay? So, yun. Basically, we have to go ahead dun sa hosting provider. So, I have a hosting provider and it's called GoDaddy. Okay? So, let me just log in sa let me just log in sa hosting provider ko. Okay? So, kung bibili kayo ng domain tsaka hosting, okay? You can try GoDaddy. Okay, and just try to sign up. Okay, sign up, create my account. Then, dun sa loob, you can now purchase your hosting and domain. Okay. Tanong, walang may nagtanong. Sir, ano ba una kong bibilhin? Domain or hosting? So, ang una mong bibilhin is yung, syempre yung domain name. Diba? So, yung address muna, yung URL. And afterwards, pag mayroon ka ng domain, you can now purchase your hosting. Okay, so yung sequence, domain first, and after that, you can now purchase your hosting. Okay, so sabi ni Wena dito, or ni Edlin, mahal ata yung hosting nila, coach. Oh, mas mahal nga yung yung hosting. Lahat naman mahal. So pumapalo yung hosting around $50, I think. Pero mas mura yung domain. Sabi ni Wena, bali per month po siya binabayaran. How much po yung hosting? Depende sa hosting mo kung magkano yung hosting depende sa hosting provider mo kung magkano yung host or yung hosting. So dito binabayaran ko is around I think 250 or 270 dirhams per month. No, sorry. Per year. So babayaran mo siya depende kasi sa hosting. Merong hosting na pwede mong bayaran yung 1 month lang, pwede mong bayaran na 3 months, pwede mong bayaran na 6 months. Pero yung sa only domains na hosting, kailangan mong mag-purchase doon with annual, 1 taon. So babayaran mo na yun ng pang 1 taon. So pumapalo siya ng mga less than $100. Okay, sabi ni Micaela Joy, meron po bang free hosting na pwede upload na ng static website? I'm not fully sure sa GitHub or if it is free for lifetime or if free for limited time lang din. There are some websites na pwede mong uploadan ng static website mo. Pero yung website na yung magiging website mo may extension na URL siya. Let's say for example, nag-upload ka ng website mo dun sa certain na website. So let's say for example www.xyz.com. Another extension pa. So siguro mga 3 URL yung makikita mo. So pwede ka mag-search diyan. I don't know if there are free. Wala kasi ako hindi kasi ako na ng mga free. I mean I go directly sa mga yung alam mo yun, yung mga hosting provider. I just purchase my own hosting and domain. So yun, let me just sign in here. Okay, sign in. I'll just post the para hindi makita yung ko. Okay, wait lang ha. Tingnan ko lang yung credentials ko. Hindi ko makita. Okay, so ito na. Actually, may na-purchase na akong domain and hosting at the same time. So, ito yung dashboard, makikita nyo dyan. Okay, yung customer number, tapos yung PIN, tapos yung products nyo. Kapag meron na kayong hosting tsaka domain, pwede nyo na makita yung products nyo dito. So, meron akong 2 domain, meron din akong 2 hosting. So, ayan. Okay, tapos ito. And then, makakita nyo din dyan sa dashboard ng hosting nyo kung kailan mag-expire yung hosting tsaka domain nyo. So, yun. Pag meron ka ng domain tsaka hosting, okay, ang gagawin mo na lang is go to, dito tayo. Okay. So, just click manage. Okay. Okay. So, makikita mo na yung full details ng nung hosting mo. And then, the next thing you have to do is, nakita yung yung cPanel login. Anyway, I'll change that in the future. So, ang kailangan mong gawin kapag meron ka ng hosting tsaka domain, okay, is to log into your cPanel. Ayan. Okay. To do that, merong dalawang way para makapasok sa cPanel. Okay. So, ang kailangan mong gawin is lagay mo yung ano mo, yung website mo, website name. The website name is asensokabayan.com/cpanel. Okay, then automatically papasok ka dito sa cPanel and then you have to put the username and password. So after mo mag-purchase ng hosting, hingi ka niya ng password. So you have to write down the password tapos lagay mo diyan. Okay, so yung makikita mo rin yung logins mo, yung cPanel login ito. Okay? And lagay mo lang dito. Okay? And meron ding isang way para makapasok ka sa cPanel mo. Okay, kung nakalimutan mo yung ano mo, yung password mo, you can go directly here and click this button, cPanel admin. Okay. Oops, may error daw. Ayan. So automatically makakapasok ka na sa cPanel. Okay? So ito yung tinatanong kanina ni nung isang participant kung para saan daw yung SAMP. Basically ganito yung SAMP pero yung SAMP is it will serve as your PHP admin. Okay? So hindi ko na i-discuss to lahat I mean, ito kasi ang dami pa nito eh. Baka pag diniscuss ko to lahat, it will take time. So, ito yung database natin. Okay, kung makikita nyo, ayan. Database. Okay, may files. Okay, may domains. Okay, may metrics, software, and security and email. Okay, so sa email, you can create your own email. Let's say, for example, I want to create my own email. This will be a unique email, no? So, sa email, okay, sa email to add, ang gagawin mo is click create. Okay, and then lagay mo lang yung gusto mong email name. Let's say, for example, is Miller. Wait lang guys ha. Okay. So, let's say, for example, I want to put Ace muna. Okay, and I will set a password. Let's say, for example, password will be Ace Miller 321. Okay? And storage, kailangan naka-unlimited. Kasi pag naka 250 lang yan, pag naubos yung 250 na yan, mag-error na hindi ka na makaka-receive ng email or hindi ka na makaka-send. And then, all the way down, you can now create. Okay? So, once naka-create ka na ng email mo, okay, you can now pwede mo nang ipamigay itong email mo if you have any business or may mga appointments ka or meeting, di ba? Pwede mo na siyang gamitin to. Okay? So, yun. Okay, let's go back na. Go back. Go back to cPanel. Okay. Okay, so the first thing you have to do to create a WordPress website is bababa ka dito sa web application. Okay? Nakita niyo yan, meron iba-ibang web application, no? So we have Joomla, Magento, Drupal, WordPress, PHP BB, Web Calendar, etc. Okay, so ang gagawin mo is you have to click the WordPress. Okay? And then all the way down. Okay? Ito pala. Okay. So sabi dito, install this application. Okay? So dito, sa application na to, okay? Okay, so sabi dito, you have to choose the domain. So since we are going to have HTTPS in the future, I will click na lang tong HTTPS with colon and / tapos www.asensokabayan.com. So ito yung gusto kong domain. Okay, so pag tinype ko siya, okay, the HTTPS kagad yung lalabas. Okay, and then you have to choose the version ng WordPress mo. Okay, it should be the latest version. Okay, language, English. Okay, tapos all the way down. Okay, wala ka na ditong gagalawin. Okay, administrator username. Okay, so I will use, let's say for example, Ace Miller. Okay, so ang ginagawa ko, I always write down yung yung uh, username kasi makakalimutin na ako. So my admin username is Ace Miller and my password will be, let's say, okay. May 5, 2021. Okay. So, sabi dito, strong. Okay, so I'll just save this. Okay. And password. Okay. And dito sa admin email, you have to put your email address. Okay. It can be gmail.com, no problem. So isasensokabayan.com. Okay. And you can now put your website blog or you can just leave that muna for the meantime. But if you want, you can also change that. Okay. Tapos kung may website tagline ka na, you can also put that. Let's say, ang partner mo sa pag-asenso. Di ba? Okay, so all the way down, two-factor authentication. Okay, you can also enable that. Okay, and you can now click install. Okay, so antayin mo lang siya mag-load. Okay. So yun, sabi dito, successful na daw yung installation ng WordPress. Okay, so binigyan kanya ng link to open your site. Okay. Yan, nakalagay coming soon. Senso Kabayan. Okay. And binigyan kanya ng default login for your backend ng website. Okay, yung WP admin. Okay. So I think let's try to change this into admin. Why not found? Okay, let me try this again. Okay, hindi mag-work. Try natin sa incognito. Okay. So, hindi siya ma-open. Ba't kaya? So if you are encountering problem like this, no, you can speak with your support. Let's say for example sa GoDaddy, di ba? You can call them dito. You can call your support. Ang maganda sa mga hosting na pinipili ko, I mean, yung mga pinipili kong hosting, meron silang mga contact details na pwede mong tawagan kung bakit hindi mo ma-install yung or hindi ma-open yung website mo, sasabihin nila kung ano yung kailangan mong gawin. For example, dito sa website na to, okay, hindi natin siya ma-open. Ang ginagawa ko lang is I delete yung yung in-install ko and I will try to make another one. Okay, so uninstall lang natin. Okay. So go back sa cPanel. Okay. And WordPress. Okay. And install. Okay. Recommended. Okay. Dito lang natin. Ace Miller. Okay. Password. Ace at senso.com. Okay. Then Senso Kabayan. Okay. And all the way down, let's try to install it again. Okay. And check natin ulit kung makapasok or hindi. File not found. If you think that you're looking for, okay, try natin i-figure out kung ano nangyari. Aha. Okay. Let me try to edit this again. Tingnan natin kung ano yung problem. Mm, Okay. Mhm. Okay, install ulit natin. Okay, check ko lang dito sa file manager. HTML. Oops. Okay, let's try to install it again. Ito, application natin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi siya na-install. I mean, hindi siya nag-open yung ano, yung WP admin. WP admin. Or let me try this one. Okay. Uninstall ko ulit kasi I think dahil sa ano sa HTTPS. Kasi yung ano, yung binili kong ano, hosting, wala pa siyang kasamang SSL certificate. Okay. Itong nakikita niyo dito sa taas, okay? That means yung ano, yung site is secured. Okay? So, basically, pag bumili kayo sa GoDaddy, wala siyang kasamang SSL certificate. So, ang ginagawa ko paminsan, nagre-register ako ng ano ng Cloudflare para maging secure siya. Okay? So, let me try to install another WordPress. Okay. All the way down, WordPress. Okay. And install this application. Okay. Okay. So, ayan lang natin siyang HTTP muna. Okay. Version 5.7.1 recommended. Okay. Tapos, lagay na natin yung username. Okay. Tapos, yung password. Tapos, yung email. Okay. All the way down, install. Okay, I think alam ko na yung problema. So let's go back. Kasi ang problema dito guys, yung hosting, I mean yung domain ko is already existing. Tapos bumili ulit ako ng hosting. So I think existing na yung folder ng ano nung website. So let me check first. Hindi talaga. Tingnan natin sa dashboard. Okay, my products. Hosting, Senso Kabayan. Okay, let me try to check here sa my file. Sorry file manager. Okay. Let me delete lang to. Okay. So, balik tayo sa WordPress. Ayun talaga. Okay. So, okay, we'll just leave that website muna, no. I will just open na lang yung isa pang website, no. So, doon tayo mag-ano. So, let's assume na lang na after ma-install yung yung website or yung WordPress, we have now our WordPress login. Okay, so teka lang open ko lang yung ibang credentials ko para makita ko kung alin doon yung pwede nating gamitin. Post ko lang to. Okay. Confidentials. Okay, we can use this one. Okay. So for example, guys, okay, let's assume na pumasok na yung installation ng WordPress na yun. So for example, binigyan na tayo ng access ni hosting for our WordPress. So basically, dito ka lang maglalagay ng mo para makapasok ka sa backend ng website. You just have to type yung default na URL, which is yung website name /wp-admin. Okay, then afterwards you can now put your username and password. Okay, so my username is coffee lover, tapos login ko lang yung password ko, and then just click remind me later. Okay, so later on I'll check, guys, kung ano nangyari dun sa sa yung create nating WP. Actually, wala pang laman yun eh. So, I don't know. I need to figure out kung ano nangyari. So, let's say, for example, we have a fresh WordPress here. Okay. So, fresh pa lang siya. Wala pa siyang laman. Although may laman na siya, pero let's assume na wala pa siyang laman. Okay. So, just to show you guys kung ano yung itsura ng WordPress, pag sa backend kayo, okay, meaning to say, nasa kayo, nasa developing dashboard. Okay. Ito yung mga normally hindi nakikita ng yung mga simple user. Okay? Basically, nakikita na lang nila yung mga yung front end ng website. So nandito tayo ngayon sa tinatawag na back end. Okay? So tayo ngayon yung magmo-modify ng website, tapos tayo din ngayon yung mag-update ng website. Okay? So ito yung itsura ng WordPress. Okay? Backend ng WordPress. Tapos sa gilid na to, yung panel. Okay? So meron dyan na home, meron dyan dashboard, meron dyan post, media, pages, comments, testimonials. You will also see appearance, plugins, users, tools, settings, and itong collapse menu. You can also click that para ma-collapse yung panel. Okay, so for example, nakalagin na tayo sa natin, sa website natin. All you have to do first is, sabi diyan sa sa slides ko kanina, is um, sabi ko doon, you have to purchase domain, diba? And you have to purchase hosting. And then, install mo na yung na-install na natin yung WordPress. Okay, let's assume na okay siya, dire-diretso yung WordPress. Okay, now you have to install yung tinatawag na themes. Okay, yung design ng website. Okay, so ano ba yung itsura ng website na to sa front? Ayan, ayun yung front ng website. Okay, so actually gawa na siya. Okay, let's just assume na hindi fresh website pa lang siya. So, you have to choose the theme, sabi ko dito. Okay, you have to install themes. Okay? Install themes. Okay? To do that, all you have to do is all the way here sa left side, sa panel, okay, hanapin mo lang yung appearance. And then hover mo lang yung appearance, you will see themes. Okay? Okay? And then, ngayon pipili ka na ngayon ng mga themes. Okay? So meron naka-default diyan na themes. Okay? Ang default niya palagi is yung 2019, 2019. Ito yung mga default na themes. Okay? Kung gusto mo pa makakita ng ibang themes, ang gawin mo lang is you have to click add new. Okay? And then sa baba, you will see a bunch of themes. Ayan. Pipili ka lang dyan ng themes mo. And then, pag mayroon ka na nagustuhan, you can now install it. Let's say for example, punta tayo dito sa latest. Okay? So ito yung mga latest. Okay? You can also look for a theme, let's say for example for a store. Okay? Ayan. So merong mga store dito, you can also use that. Itong mga themes na to. Okay? So for example naman, if you are into restaurant, you can also type restaurant. Oops, sorry. Okay? So you can also choose here sa iba-ibang themes na to. Okay? All the way, ang daming themes dito na pwedeng pagpilian. So kung okay ka na sa themes na yan, okay? If you want, let's say for example, gusto ko tong theme na to, parang gusto ko to. You can also preview the theme before mo siya install, no? Ayan. So ito yung magiging umpisa ng theme mo. Okay? Ito yung parang default theme mo ngayon kapag in-install mo siya. So may makita kang mga buttons dito sa baba, which is yung social media and yung tinatawag na footer. Okay? Tapos you will have a sample yung menu. Okay? Kung okay ka na dyan, you can just click install. Okay? Since meron na akong themes, I already installed my themes. We will now assume na na-install na natin yung themes na gusto natin. Okay? So, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano mag-install ng themes. So, ganun lang. You just have to go to appearance, tapos hover or just click that appearance, then you will see themes. Okay? Then sa themes, pwede kang mag-search or mag-add new. Or kapag mayroon kang themes na download online or pinurchase online, you can upload the theme. Okay? Make sure it's zip file, naka-zip file siya or naka-WinRAR. Okay? So tapos na tayo sa tapos na tayo sa installing themes, we can now create pages or menu. So we have to create menu. Okay? So yung menu na yan, basically, nandyan si homepage. Let's say si sample, ano pa ba? About us. Okay? And then, andyan din si, let's say, contact us. And then, product page, or let's say, yeah, product page. Products. And we will also add blog page. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. Okay. So to do that, para makapag-install tayo ng, para makapag-create tayo ng menu, okay, all you have to do is go back to your backend. Tapos sa pinaka-taas, okay, may makita kayong pages. You can click yung pages na yan. Okay. And that's the right time para mag-add kayo ng pages. Okay, so we will try to add another page. Okay, so basically meron ng mga pages akong ginawa dito. So we will try to add one page. Okay, so all you have to do is click yung add new. Okay. Okay. And then sa add new na to, okay, we will add itong blog page. Okay. So let's add blog page. Okay. And go down, you will see yung publish dito. So pag meron kayong in-add na page, you have to publish at the same time. Okay, so publish natin siya. Okay. And then we have blog page. Okay, next natin i-upload is yung product page, and then contact us, about us, and homepage. Okay, so ayan. So matagal yung yung loading niya kasi depende sa bilis ng internet nyo. Okay, so publish na siya. Okay, we have to create another one. Okay, click mo lang yung WordPress logo para makabalik ka dun sa dashboard. Okay, then click mo ulit yung add new. Ayan. Okay, so click mo lang yung add new. Okay. Ang sabi ko dito, we'll add product page. Okay, so product page or products. Okay, and all the way down, just click publish. Okay, so meron tayong blog page, meron tayong product page. Okay, so let's create another page, yung contact us. Okay, again, you have to add new. And lagay mo lang yung pangalan. It's contact us. Okay, contact us. Okay, all the way down, publish. Okay, and ano pa ba? Okay. Lagay na lang natin yung yung homepage. Okay? Instead, maglagay pa ako ng about us, we'll just put a homepage. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So meron tayong 4 na page. Sa menu natin, okay, we have homepage, we have contact us, we have products, and blog. Okay, so add pa ko ng isa. Okay. Yung homepage, it will serve as the homepage kapag let's say for example, yung website is sureha.com. Every time na may magta-type ng sureha.com, kailangan yung homepage pala yung lalabas. So I will show it to you how kung paano siya gawin. Okay, so homepage, okay, publish. Okay? So meron tayong 4 na pages. Okay? So ang gagawin natin is i-organize natin ngayon yung menu natin. So kailangan ang makita natin is yung homepage nasa unahan from left to right, no? And susunod is, let's say for example, gusto kong sumunod is yung product page, and pinaka-last will be yung contact us. Okay, so we have to organize this. Okay, so napansin nyo kanina, di ba? Nagsimula ako sa blog site, sa blog page, contact us, tapos products, tapos home. Ngayon, i-organize natin siya para pag pinakita ko siya sa website, sa front end, sunod-sunod siyang ganito. Diba? So, kasi normally, nakikita natin sa mga website, yung nauna yung homepage, tapos pinakalas na yung contact us. Diba? Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard. Okay. Ito yung sinasabi ko pala guys kanina. Kaya maganda yung yung WordPress kasi responsive siya. Okay, pag sinabing responsive, okay. Okay. So for example, gumagawa tayo ng website sa desktop, naka-desktop view ako, di ba? Kapag yung ibang user naggamit ng mobile nila, tinype nila itong website na to, automatically, and mapapansin nyo, di ba? Naka-adjust kaagad siya sa mobile. Ayan, mobile view. Ayan. So, kaya siya tinawag na responsive. Pag naka-desktop view naman, automatically, mag-a-adjust siya for desktop view. Ayan. Kaya siya tinawag na responsive. Kasi either mobile or laptop yung ginagamit mo. So, automatically nagbabago yung position ng mga content. So, kaya magandang gamitin yung WordPress. Okay? So, ngayon, we will now organize this menus. Okay, next step natin is organize your menus. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is we have to go all the way here sa backend again. Okay? Sa backend, pupunta ka lang dito sa left side again. Okay? Sa panel. And, all the way down, look for appearance. Okay? Pag hinover mo yung appearance, may makakita ka pang ibang options. So under appearance, we have themes, customize, widgets, menus, background, etc. etc. So to organize your menu, all you have to do is go to menus. Okay? So yung natin, yung ginawa nating pages kanina, papagsusunod-sunod din natin siya. Okay? Let me first read yung mga questions kanina. Sabi ni sabi ni Micaela, sabi ni Wena, yung sa Wix pa yon, alin yung sa Wix? Iba yung hindi to Wix Yung Wix is also considered as hosting. Okay, you can also create a website under wix.com. You can purchase hosting and domain. But I prefer kung nakapag-aral ka na mag-WordPress, then use WordPress. You can also use Wix. Under Wix, you can use WordPress. Sabi ni Ma'am Shiweng, Coach, ikaw nagbayad ng hosting mo or si client? Basically, si client. Wag tayong mag-abono. Diba? So, kung may magpapagawa sa'yo, sa quotation mo, make sure na included doon yung hosting and domain. So, before that, you can check first yung hosting provider kung magkano siya. Tapos, tingnan mo yung monthly payment, and then check mo yung features niya, kung ano ba yung mga free. Okay? Sabi ni Micaela, meron din pala, thank you coach. Merong mga website na pwede mong i-upload yung website mo sa ibang website para mag-appear doon. Pero ang problema doon, may mga extension yung URL mo. So sabi ni Ferdinand, alam ko as long as deactivated account mo sa GitHub, mag-run yung website files na in-upload mo. Okay? Sabi ni Alona, wala po bang domain and hosting si WordPress mismo na pwedeng i-purchase? Ha? Wala po bang domain and hosting si WordPress mismo na pwedeng i-purchase? Hindi ko gets. Actually, pinurchase lang doon is yung hosting tsaka domain. So ang gagawin mo lang, pag may hosting ka na, pwede mo nang install yung WordPress for free. Okay? Sabi ni Eric, maraming free kaya lang limitation. Oh, yun yung disadvantage ng free. Pag ginamit mo yung mga free websites na yun, limited lang yung pwede mong gawin. So, paminsan, hindi ka pwedeng mag-SEO, hindi ka pwedeng mag-upload ng sarili mong themes, meron silang default themes. Yun yung problema sa mga free. Okay? Sabi ni ako ito, may additional ba sa monthly payment pag selected mo yung unlimited sa email? Kasi di ba magiging unlimited na yung storage mo? Meron naman na ang sinasabi mo dito yung bandwidth sa email. So kapag yung HostGator kasi, they have unlimited bandwidth. Kumbaga, unlimited yung ano niya, kahit mag-send ka ng malalaking file, unlimited yung storage na yun. Meron naman ng mga hosting provider na limited lang yung ano, let's say for example 5 GB lang. Okay? So kaka-email mo yan in just 3 months to 6 months puno na. So you have to add additional storage. So depende sa ano yan sa hosting provider nyo. So if you are looking for a email na with unlimited email storage, let's go for HostGator or GoDaddy. Kapag naman yung URL, gusto mo yung URL na unique, let's say for example .ph, .sg, then let's go for only domains. Depende sa ano sa HostGator na host provider na mahanap nyo. Okay? So sabi ni Eric, Coach, since the WP admin folder is default, how can we increase security to prevent hacking in the future? Ang ginagawa ko is I change the yung extension, di ba? Nakalagay doon, Asenso Kabayan /WP-admin. Ang ginagawa ko ay merong mga free plugin na pwede mong i-change yung anong yun, yung path na yun. Let's say for example, WP- gawin mong Asenso Kabayan para, di ba, yung default natin is WP-admin. So you can change that into WP-XYZ or etc. Or you can also change that Asenso Kabayan /XYZ blah blah blah. So you can change that para hindi siya vulnerable sa mga hackers. Okay? Sabi ni Cheryl, Eric, you need to purchase SSL certificate. Okay? Sa SSL certificate naman, okay? Yung SSL certificate kasi, it shows that your website is secured. Okay, sometimes yung mga website na yan, they are not secured. So, paminsan makita niya, for example, ito, secured na siya. So, meaning to say may SSL certificate na siya. Yung sa Asenso Kabayan kanina, wala siyang SSL certificate kasi sa GoDaddy, they don't provide SSL certificate as kapag hindi ka nag-add. I think may additional siyang payment. I think $15 per month for SSL certificate. Sabi ni Edwin, baka coach need mo set up muna sa hosting mo. Mamaya titingnan ko anong problema nun. Okay, sabi ni Edlin, naka-HTTP sa hosting, tapos try mo edit ng hosting, create an HTTP. Yeah, trinay ko na yun kanina. Real-time ba yan, sir? Yung online agad WP site mo once nagawa na? Yes, kapag naka-install ka na ng WordPress, automatically makikita mo na yung yung WordPress mo. Tapos pwede ka na pumasok sa back-end ng WordPress. Sabi ni Jess, maganda daw yung issue na encounter natin kanina. Pero baka kasi mawala kayo eh pag tinignan. Tsaka baka masayang yung oras natin. Sabi ni Mitch, coach, pag ba nag-purchase ng domain at hosting, all-in na yon for 1 year or may monthly payment pa? All-in na siya for 1 year. So, cost mo dun is less than $100. Okay, so yun. Let's go back. No? We have to organize now our menu. So, to do that, okay, hover mo lang yung appearance sa left side, then go down sa menu. And then pag nasa menu ka na, okay, you have to create a new menu. Okay? Click mo lang 'to. Okay? And then you have to name your menu. Let's say for example, yung menu natin is main menu 2. Okay? Or 1, you can also put 1. No problem. And then you have to create menu. Okay? So magiging organize siya mamaya. So, yun, we have to create a menu name first. Tapos after that, we can now place our menu pages. So kanina gumawa tayo ng dito sa left side, makita niyo dito. Okay? Makita niyo diyan yung mga create yung pages. Okay, so we created blog, we created products, we created contact us, and then homepage. Okay, so to add that, you just have to click this add to menu. Okay, and then pag okay na, ang gagawin mo na lang is to arrange yung sunod-sunod niya, yung pakakasunod-sunod. For example, yung contact us, gusto ko sa nasa pinaka ano siya, nasa pinaka last. Okay? Or let's say for example, yung blog, let's say nandito siya sa pangalawa after homepage. Okay? Kung mapapansin niyo guys, pag minove ko yung ano, yung menu na yan, okay? Pwedeng maging ganyan. So meaning to say, pag hinover ko yung menu page, lalabas sa baba yung blog page. For example, ganito yan. So pag hinover ko yung ano, yung product page, okay, lalabas yung iba pang sub pages. Okay, so let's see kung anong mangyayari. So I'll just save this. Okay, for the meantime, ganito yung itsura niya. Okay, so home, tapos yung subpage ng home is yung blog page and then product page, okay, and contact us. So let me just refresh this. Okay, hindi siya mag-effect, okay, kasi we have to go to customize first. Okay, so pagka-save mo ng menu, okay, punta ka dito ngayon sa appearance ulit, sa baba niyan, you have to click customize. Okay, so you have to make yung menu na yon as the main menu, yung ginawa natin. So pagbukas mo ng customize, makikita mo tong customization na dashboard. Okay? So all the way here sa homepage, okay? Antay lang natin mag-load, medyo mabagal. So ito na yung customization ng themes. Okay? Wala pa tayong na-upload na plugins, no? So ito pa lang yung customization ng themes. So pag may themes ka na, okay, makikita mo sa appearance yung customize or customization. Okay, so ganito yung makikita mo sa customization. So para para lumabas yung menu natin dun sa ano, sa homepage, okay? All you have to do is go here sa menu, okay? Tapos sa main menu, okay, click mo lang 'yan. Okay? And then hindi, sorry, mali. I think dito sa homepage settings. Ayun. Static. Okay, so dito sa static, okay, balik ako dito sa homepage settings, okay? So every time dapat pag nagta-type ako ng website name, okay, lalabas dapat palagi yung homepage. Okay? Ayoko lumabas yung blog page or yung about page. Okay? So gusto ko lumabas kaagad yung homepage. To do that, under customization, you have to click homepage settings. Tapos yung static page yun daw, yung pag tinype mo yung website name, automatic ano bang page yung lalabas. So sabi dito, you can choose from this pages. Okay? So yung ginawa natin kanina is ito. Okay? Ito yung existing. So let's try this one. Okay? So I'll try to publish this. Okay? Antayin natin lumabas yung result. Ayan. So ito yung ginawa natin kanina. So wala pa siyang laman. So naka-static ngayon yung homepage na ginawa natin ngayon lang. Okay, so when I type, for example, when I type the website, okay, incognito lang tayo. So this is the website name. So makikita nyo ngayon, you can also try to check guys sa mobile nyo kung ano yung lumabas. This is real time. So sinet natin as static kapag tinype ko yung yung website name, ang pinili nating page is yung home page, nakakagawa pa lang natin. So yun yung magiging static page nung website. Okay, you can also change that if you want every time na tina-type yung website, you can also change the page. Let's say for example, gusto mong lumabas pag type ko yung pangalan ng website mo, ang lalabas diyan is yung blog page. You can also do that. So for example, that we just publish it, then refresh. Ang lalabas diyan yung blog site or yung blog page. Ayan. Na-gets nyo? Nakuha nyo yung ibig ko sabihin? Na-gets? Na-gets ba? Okay. So again, ulitin ko Okay. So so every time na magta-type ako ng website name, okay? Gusto ko lumabas yung page na gusto ko talagang lumabas pag tinype ko yung website ko. So to do that, kailangan natin siyang ilagay yung specific page na yon into static. Okay? So ang gagawin natin, under customization, balik tayo dun sa customize So balik ako dun sa dashboard. Para mapalabas natin yung gusto nating page na lumabas dun sa pag tinype ko yung address ng website ko, all you have to do is all the way down sa baba, sa appearance, okay? Punta ka ngayon sa customize. Okay, na-organize na natin kanina yung page, okay, yung menus. Now, you have to customize yung themes. Okay? But we are still here in sa menus. Huwag kayong malilito wala pa tayo sa sa paggawa ng pages. So nandun pa lang tayo sa menu page dito. Okay? So para mapalabas natin yung gusto nating page kapag tinype yung website, all you have to do is go here sa homepage settings. Okay? Then piliin mo ngayon yung gusto mong page na lalabas kapag tinype yung website. So for me, it should be the homepage. Okay? And then, nakita mo dyan yung homepage. You can now click publish. Okay? So, pag publish na siya, you can go back. Okay? And then, all the way down. Okay, sa menu, let's try to check this one. Okay, so sa menu guys, okay, kailangan mapalabas natin yung ginawa natin kanina. So ito yung existing before. Kailangan natin papalabasin yung mga ginawa natin kaninang pages. Ito, yung homepage, yung products, yung blog, tapos yung contact us. So to do that, okay, all you have to do is go to menu, okay, and sa baba, view location, and then choose mo yung create mo kaninang menu. Okay, dun sa menu, nag-create tayo ng menu name, tapos in-arrange natin yung menus, yung mga pages, and then pagka-save natin, pumunta tayo dito sa customization, and after that, pumunta tayo ulit sa menu, tapos sa navigation menu, piliin mo lang yung pangalan na create mong menu. Okay, so I have menu 1, I have menu, yung main menu and main menu 1. So ang ginawa natin is yung main menu 1. So I'll just choose yung main menu 1 and then just click publish. Okay, so makikita mo ngayon yung pinili nating, yung ginawa nating page. So kanina, yung isa, I think yung blog page, nasa under siya ng homepage. So let's see. Okay, I think wala. Okay, let me go back dun sa So nagtago yung blog page. Ayun. Pakita na siya. Ayan. So under ng home, di ba, yung blog page. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin, okay, let's go back dun sa menu. Okay. balik tayo sa appearance and then sa menu. Okay, ito na yung menu. Okay, ang gagawin natin is i-align lang natin dito, drag lang dito, and then save mo ulit siya. Okay? So, ang mangyayari, maghihiwalay na yung homepage, 'di ba? May subpage siyang blog. Maghihiwalay na ngayon yung blog. So, mangyayari, okay, refresh lang. So, homepage, blog page, and product page, and yung contact us. Okay? So, lahat 'yan mga wala pang laman. Okay? So, yun, we already organized yung menu. Okay? And then we already set yung static page, which is yung homepage. Okay? So, pag sinabing static page, yan yung page kapag tinype ko yung website name. So, static page, which is yung homepage, when okay? So, tapos tayo sa pag-organize ng nung menu, tapos na rin tayo mag-set ng static page, and let's move on how to create a single page now. So, umpisa na natin mag-create ng mga ng content. Okay? So dito guys, okay? So mapapansin niyo guys, merong tatlong parts yung website. Okay? So ito tandaan niyo So merong tatlong parts ang website. We have the header. Okay? Okay. So three types of three parts of the website. Okay, sa three parts na yan, we have the header. Okay, we have the body. And then, ano yung pinaka-last? Tingin nga. Okay, sabi ni Dennis, footer. Correct. Okay. We have the footer. Okay, so ang gagawin natin to create or to build the website, first ang gagawin natin is we have to fulfill yung header. Okay, so to do that, okay, sa header, ang makikita nyo yan sa header, okay, ang makikita nyo dyan is logo or contact information like email and mobile number, tapos menu. Okay, so meron na tayong nagawang menu. So ang gagawin lang natin is we have to add contact information. Okay. So since meron na contact information dito, I will do it again para makita nyo. Okay. So to add contact information, ang gagawin mo lang, okay, is balik ka dun sa appearance. Okay. Balik ka dun sa appearance. Okay. Sa appearance, go to customize again. Okay. And then, look for header. Ayan, header option. So, scroll mo lang dito sa left side na to para makita mo yung pwede mong i-customize. Okay? So, antayin lang natin. Medyo mabagal yung internet namin. Okay, so all the way down, go to header option. Okay? Okay, so yung option dito sa sa themes na to, yung header style, you can choose the header style. Okay? Pwedeng ganito daw, malalaki yung menu. Okay? Ayan. Okay? Pwede daw ganito. Okay? First option. Makita yung changes. Ayan. Ayan. Diba? And then, yung height, you can also adjust the height ng logo. Okay? Ito yung logo. Okay, so lumaki siya. Okay, I think that's pretty fine. Okay, and then yung sticky header, you can also adjust. Okay, pag sinabing sticky header, yung pag in-scroll mo tong website na to, pababa, lalabas pa rin yung website. I mean, yung header, yung logo. That's what we call sticky header. Okay, you can adjust also the maximum height of the logo. Okay, you can also turn on or off yung sticky head. Kung ayaw mong lumalabas siya kapag nag-scroll ka, you can also switch this off. And you can also switch on yung search. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, wala pa siyang search na icon here. Now meron na siyang search. Okay, and then ano pa ba? Okay, you can also switch yung letters into uppercase. So we'll switch this off para ayan, makita natin yung difference. Ayan. So nag-lumit na siya, di ba? So let me turn this on again, yung uppercase para makita natin yung difference. Ayan. Ay, walang nagbago. Okay. Uppercase. Okay. So kung hindi siya nag-effect, you just have all you have to do is to publish then refresh lang. Okay? So let's look for the logo. Okay? So makikita mo naman diyan, okay, may mga icon na lapis or yung edit icons. Okay? You can also click that para ma-edit mo yung itong part na to. Okay? So dito for example, yung itong icon na to, meaning kung gusto mong palitan yung logo, you can do that. So just click that, or you can also go all the way here sa pinaka-top, it says site identity, and then you can upload your own logo. Okay, so kung gusto mong palitan yung logo, you can also remove that or change file. So just click change file. Okay, and then you can upload. Okay, select files. Okay, let's try to look for a logo. Okay, let's say ito or let's say okay. Let's say for example ito, palitan natin ng logo to. Okay, Moderneng Bayani. Okay, so just click yung logo. Okay, then click open. Okay, and then wait mo lang siya matapos mag-load. Then pag okay na, just choose file. And then kung mapapansin nyo, papalit to. Ayan. So we have our own logo na. Okay? And if you want, kung gusto mo din maging unique yung website mo, pwede mo din lagyan ng ito, yung nakita yung yung mouse ko. Ayan. Yun yung tinatawag na icon. 'Di ba? So, yung website mo may icon. Okay? Let's say for example, gusto kong maging ito instead na yung nandito sa may Google Chrome, I'll make this yung logo na Jeep. Okay? So to do that, okay? All the way down here, okay? After under site identity, okay? After mo ma-change yung logo, makita mo dito mayroon siyang preferred size, 280 pixel by 72 pixel. Okay, you can apply this if you have skills in Photoshop. Okay, set mo yung height na 280 pixels tapos sorry, yung width is 280 pixels and yung height is 72 pixels. Okay? But if you don't have any skill how to do Photoshop, you can also try Canva. Okay, you can also manipulate the, images there. You can try Canva. Okay, so yun, all the way down sa site identity, okay, you can change the site title. Okay, tapos yung tagline. Kanina kung napansin nyo, nung nag-set up tayo ng WordPress, may site title tsaka yung website tagline. So ito na yun. Okay, so to change also yung site icon, okay, you can also create an icon with the size of 512 by 512 pixels, and the format should be I mean wala siyang background. If you want may background na puti, no problem. But for me, mas maganda yung transparent yung background. So sa Photoshop, you can remove the background then save as PNG. Okay, sa Canva naman, you can also do the same thing. Okay, as long as meron siyang size na 512 by 512 pixels. Okay, so let's try to change this one. So change image, click mo lang yung change image and then upload files. Okay, and look for the icon. Ito yung icon. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Okay, so pag okay na, select. Okay. So kung mapapansin nyo, ayan, no? Let me just publish it. Okay, so pinublish ko na siya, published, refresh. Tingnan yung mangyayari. Yung logo tsaka yung icon sa browser ko. Ayan. So modernong bayani tapos yung ano, yung icon napalitan na siya ng yung Jeep na icon. Okay. So okay na tayo sa ano. Okay, I think hindi pa natin napalitan yung ano, yung contact information. So okay na tayo sa menu, okay na tayo sa logo. Okay? Okay na tayo sa menu, okay na tayo sa logo. We have to change now the contact information. Okay, to do that, okay, balik tayo dun sa customization. Okay? Kaya nawawala guys yung ano, yung nasa left side kasi kino-collapse ko siya. Ayan no, makita niyo dito sa baba, kino-collapse ko lang siya para makita ko yung buong design. Okay, so to change this information sa taas, okay, you can directly click yung edit icon na to or kung wala kang makita, you can also go here sa top bar option. Okay? So dito sa phone number, you can put the phone number if you want. I mean, if you have a phone number, company phone number, okay, you can change that. Let's say for example, it's 9. Okay. Ayan. So makikita niyo dito, magpapalit siya. Ayan. Ayan. So plus 97143216540. Tapos yung email, you can change the email if you want, ace@sureha.com. Ayan. So observe nyo lang to, magpapalit siya. Ayan. Okay, so okay na tayo sa ano, okay na tayo sa header. Now we have to proceed to the body. Okay, so sa mga pages, as is yung header. Okay, so every time na magna-navigate ka sa ibang pages, as is yung header tsaka yung footer. Okay, so now let's go to I think let's proceed muna sa footer. Okay, then i-last na natin yung ano, um yung body. Okay? So, okay, let's try to save this first, no? Para makita natin yung changes. So, every time pa nagpa-publish ka, every time na magsi-save ka, always open another tab, okay, like this, para makita mo yung changes. So, for example, ito, naka-incognito ako para every time na may changes ako sa website ko, all I have to do is to refresh. Okay, so mapansin nyo dyan, papalit na yung information. Okay? So before ako mag-proceed sa footer, if you have any question guys, kung nalilito kayo, please let me know. If you have any question guys, please let me know. Wait lang guys, ha? Give me like 2 minutes. Okay? Before tayo mag-footer. If you have any question, please let me know. Tapos kung wala kayo naintindihan dun sa mga pinagsasabi ko, let me know as well para at least pwede kong ulitin. Okay? Just give me 2 minutes. Okay, sabi ni Crystalline, Sir, paano if wala yung appearance and plug-in option sa sidebar? Are you using free WordPress? Kasi it's impossible na wala siyang appearance and plug-ins option sa sidebar. Kasi I think you're using the free version ng WordPress. Yan yung problema sa mga free. Limited lang yung feature niya. Okay? So I think we can proceed na sa sa footer. Okay? So to change the footer, to change the footer, let's just click yung close para bumalik tayo dun sa backend ng website. Okay. 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 So, yun. To change the footer, okay? So, tingnan natin muna yung footer natin, paano itsura. So, ito yung itsura ng footer natin. So, we have the logo. Okay? We have contact details. We have short description or short about the company and yung social media. Okay? So, we have four parang four divides ng footer. Okay, so ito yung number one. Okay, number one, kung mapapansin nyo, pag highlight ko siya, makikita nyo yung division niya. So yung number one, yung image, tapos ito text, tapos another text, and another text with buttons. Okay, so to do this, okay, ang gagawin natin is, pupunta ulit tayo sa dashboard, sa backend. Okay, and then all the way down, again, sa appearance. Okay, more on appearance tayo, no? So wala pa tayong ginagalaw dito sa ibang option. So more on appearance pa lang tayo. Kasi minomodify natin yung sorry, minomodify natin yung design. Okay. So tapos na tayo sa themes, customize, widgets, menus, etc. etc. To customize yung footer, sorry, to customize yung footer, all you have to do is to click widgets. Okay, yung widgets na yan yung parang parang application na makita mo sa website na it serve as paminsan makita yung may placement ng widgets, paminsan sa sidebar, paminsan sa footer. Okay? So, yun, para mapalitan natin yung footer, you have to click under appearance yung widgets. Okay? So, under widgets, okay, makita mo yung mga option for available widgets sa WordPress. So we have different types of widgets here. Okay? Tapos yung website natin, okay, we have two types of placement ng widgets. Okay? So sabi dito yung main widget area. Okay? Meaning to say, ito yung makita natin sa baba, sa footer. And kapag yung page mo merong sidebar, you can also place widget. Okay? Babalikan natin yan kapag nag-create na tayo ng blog site. Okay? So, first thing to do, we have to change the footer first, no? Before tayo mag-proceed sa pages. So, to fulfill this design, no? We have to add image widget. Okay? So, ito na yung image widget. Okay? So, I'll do this again. I'll try to delete this. Okay? Let me just save yung ito. Okay. So, I'll just delete this one first. Okay. And then, yung button. Okay, I'll delete this as well. Okay. Tapos we have the contact us. Tapos yung I think this is the, ayan, yung about the page or about the company. Let me just delete this one. Okay, so let's assume na kakarating lang natin din sa widgets na to. So, okay, pag refresh ko siya, makita yung mawawala na itong mga to. Ayan, so natira na lang yung contact us. Okay, kasi nag-iisa na lang yung contact us nandito. Okay, to create a wonderful or attractive footer, okay, all we have to do is to add widgets. Okay, so ang una natin gagawin is we have to add image widget. Okay, so all the way down, okay, makita mo dito, ito yung option ng widget ha. Ayan, itong area to. Okay, ito, available widget, kung makita nyo. Ayan. Okay, so to add widget, pili ka lang dito ng ano mo, ng widget mo. Let's say for example, I want to add image under main page or main widget area. So meaning to say, mag-add ka ngayon ng widget under main widget area. That means yung footer. Okay? Medyo nagugulan na kayo, no? So again, we have two types of or we have two area of widgets we can place. Okay? Yung isa sa footer, yung main, tapos yung isa naman yung main sidebar widget area. That means kapag nasa ano na tayo, nasa body na tayo or nasa page na tayo, pag yung page mo is with sidebar, okay? Makikita mo doon yung mga widgets na linagay mo. Okay? Pag wala naman, then hindi mo makita yung mga widgets na yan. Okay? So, we have to add widgets under this main widget area. Meaning to say, ito yung nasa footer. Okay? So, I will add a widget which is image. Okay? So, I will just add it sa main widget area. That means yung sa footer. Okay? Just click that. Okay? And then, ayan na. Ito na yung widget mo, image. Okay? Just add yung picture kanina. Okay? Just look for that. Since nandito na siya sa media, okay? Hindi na ako mag-upload. Or if you have different image, you can also upload that. Let's say for example, ito. Okay? So ito yung ginawa ko, naka-black and white. Okay? I'll just upload that. Okay? And then, antayin mo lang mag-load or matapos ma-upload. And then, gawin mo, add to widget. Okay? And you will see na yung picture. Okay? So, save mo lang siya. Click mo lang yung save. Automatically, okay? Pag nakalagay saved, meaning to say, okay na siya, nakasave na. Tingnan mo na yung result. Refresh mo lang yung page mo. Okay? And then, yan na. Makita mo na yung page. I mean, yung widget. Okay? So, let's try to add a text. Okay? Kasi yung kanina, text yung nakalabas tapos yung social media. So, to do that, just look for editor, text. Okay? May mga widget dito. You can try this one by one if you want. Okay? Para ma-explore nyo yung kung anong mga gamit nitong mga to. Pero for the meantime, I will use yung site origin editor. Okay? So, I will add this main widget area. Okay? And then, we will add yung kanina. Okay? About the company. So, about Shura. Okay? And then, paste ko lang yung content kanina. Okay? Copy-paste ko lang. And, okay? Gagawin ko is, i-justify ko siya para maganda tingnan. And then, all the way here, just click save. Okay? And then, pwede mo na siyang tago. Okay? Then, balik ka dun sa sa incognito. And then, refresh mo lang para makita mo yung yung result. Okay? Now, we have to add yung social media buttons. So, balik ka dun sa back end. Okay? Then, look for a widget called social media. Okay? So, social media. Okay, hindi ko makita. Ayun. So, add to main widget area. Okay. And then, task ka. Okay. So, dito, nakalagay dito, title, you can put the title, follow us. Okay. And networks. Okay. Select a network. Okay. Meaning to say kung anong platform. Okay. If it is Facebook, just choose Facebook. And kapag meron kang Facebook account, you can also put the Facebook URL ng page mo. Okay? And add another network. If you have Instagram, you can also add Instagram if you want. Okay, tapos add mo lang yung URL dito. Okay, and you can also choose the color icon, yung icon color. You can also change the icon title if you want, and yung background color. Okay, and let's add another network. This will be LinkedIn, or let's say Pinterest. Okay, and kung open mo lang yung account mo sa Pinterest, then post mo lang yung link dito. Okay, then you can also add title, and you can also change the icon color and background ng icon. Okay, and then pag okay ka na dito, okay, just save. Okay, and then pagka-save, punta ka dun sa incognito or sa new tab, and then refresh. Tapos tingnan mo ulit kung may nagbago. Ayan, so, nagbago na siya. Okay, you can also rearrange yung mga yung arrangement ng ng mga social medias. So if you want to if you want to put Facebook on the last, you can also rearrange that. Or yung Pinterest na sa pinakaunan, you can also do that. Then just click save, and yan, tingnan mo yung arrangement in Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook. Pag refresh ko siya, automatically magbabago yung position niya. Okay? And you can also change the position ng ng mga widgets. Let's say for example, you want to put this here sa pinakaunahan, sa from left to right. Okay? So you can also do that. Okay, just close this one. Tapos yung image, you can drag papunta sa taas. Okay, automatic mag-save na siya. And then just click refresh and you will see the results. Okay? So tapos na tayo sa header, tapos na rin tayo sa footer. Okay? So let me just write down yung mga natapos natin. Okay, we have footer, adding widgets. Okay? And ano pa ba? Adding, lagay ko din dito na we also arrange widgets, no? Okay, and yun. Okay, so the last part we are going to do is the body. Okay, so yung body, it will take a lot of time because I have to explain you guys about a plugin which is called Elementor. Okay, para magets yung kinabukasan. But for now, ito muna yung natin, di-discuss natin yung header at yung footer. Okay, so para hindi kayo masyadong I don't want to bore you guys, no. Para ma-refresh kayo, you can also watch this later on, no. Yung body, let's try to make that this coming tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow let's do the body tomorrow. But before I end the webinar, let's talk about the plugins. Okay, so itong tatlong part na to, okay, let me just add here. Okay, so to start your WordPress, okay, lagay ko dito, to start a WordPress website. Okay, ito yung mga kailangan mo, diba? We have to install themes, create menu, organize your menu, set a static page, and then sunod mong gagawin is install plugins. Okay? So kanina ang ginawa natin dito sa to set static page, nag-arrange tayo nung page, tapos nag-arrange tayo kung sino yung pag tinype yung website, kung sino yung lalabas kaagad na page. Okay? Tapos yung ginawa natin kanina, okay? Yung 3 parts of the website, okay? Ito yung ginawa natin. We already created a header and we also created footer. Okay, so we will continue the body tomorrow kasi I have to explain you ano ba yung Elementor. Okay, so to end this, I will just discuss about installing plugins. Yung plugins, guys, para maging functional yung website mo, okay, you have to install plugins. Ito yung mga dinidevelop ng mga ibang companies para maging interactive yung website. Okay, so paminsan meron tinatawag na free version plugins, tapos meron naman tinatawag na mga paid version plugins. Okay, so ang daming plugins na pwede natin gamitin para makapag-modify tayo ng website, para makapag-deliver tayo ng website sa client. Okay, so yung plugins na sinasabi ko, okay, So makikita nyo yan dito sa side na to. Dito sa side, sa left, sa panel, okay? All the way down, you will see plugins here. Makikita mo yung mga naka-install dyan na plugins. So pag clinic yung install plugins, okay? Pag clinic yung install plugins, okay, makikita mo dyan lahat ng plugins na dinownload ko or in-install ko sa WordPress. Okay? So, ito yung plugins. Okay? So, ayan. All-in-one, WP migration. Okay? These are all samples ng plugins. Okay? We have Elementor, Flexible SSL, Google Analytics, etc. etc. Okay? I will explain to you guys yung ibang plugins na alam ko, yung gamay ko. I will teach you how to modify that. Tapos, from there, we will apply it sa ano natin, sa blog site natin. Okay? So, yun. These are just the plugins, no? Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo para maging ano kayo, familiar kayo for tomorrow. Kasi we will start to install plugins na. Okay? So, I think that's pretty much muna sa ano sa for today. Okay? So tomorrow we will create na body and at the same time yung mga pages na yun. Okay? So refresh muna tayo ngayon. Okay? So recap lang tayo ha. To start a WordPress, you have to create or you have to purchase domain, hosting, install a WordPress under your hosting or sa cPanel. Tapos yung after ma-install yung WordPress, you have to install themes. Okay? And then you have to create menu. Okay? We created 4 menu for the meantime. So lahat yan wala pang laman. And then after that, you have to organize your menu. And then you have to set the static page or home page. Okay? When I type the URL or yung website name, kailangan lumabas yung gusto kong page. Okay? And then, you have to install plugins. Okay? So to complete the website, you have to install plugins. So tomorrow we are going to create blog page. Okay, so meron akong sinulat, may naka-ready na akong article dito. We will try to add that sa ano natin, sa page natin, sa blog page natin. Okay? So if you have any question guys, please let me know. Sabi ni John Alexis, same link lang po ba for tomorrow? Yes, same link lang. Sabi ni Jaisa, Coach, pwede po rearrange po yung mga widget once ma-add po sa main widget area. Yes, pwede mo siyang i-rearrange. So again, punta tayo din sa sa appearance, no? And then widgets. Okay? And then ito na yung mga naka-install na widget kanina, yung mga pinili ko dito sa gilid, sa left side. You can still rearrange that. Okay? Antay lang natin mag-load. Ayan, loading pa siya. Okay, you can still rearrange it. Ayan, no? Ayan. Okay, so lagyan natin sa pinakahulihan yung yung image. Pag refresh ko siya, makita nyo dito sa footer. Ayan. Pag refresh ko siya, ayan na. Okay, so rearrange ulit natin. Okay, lagyan natin yung contact sa pinakadulo. Okay, then refresh mo lang siya. Ayan. Okay. Okay, so any question? Sabi ni Mitch, thank you, Coach. Dami ko natutunan, looking forward for more. Yes, tomorrow. So, I hope to see you guys again tomorrow para ma-continue natin tong WP or WordPress. Pero we'll use the Ascenso Kabayan, so I'll try to fix it later. Sabi ni Dennis, default widgets ba yan sa WP o may plugin na kailangan? Actually, hindi siya default. Plugins, naka-install na siyang plugins. So, tomorrow we will discuss about the plugins. Sabi ni Lovelyn Cleo, sir, di ba wordpress.org? Yeah, wordpress.org. You can use wordpress.org. Kaso ang problema doon, konti lang yung features niya. Sabi ni Aldrin, paano coach maglagay ng menu sa footer, coach? Okay. Wait lang Aldrin, I will try to add menu sa sa footer. Okay. Sabi ni Mary, coach, upload mo to sa YouTube. Yes, I will upload this. Okay, so to add menu sa sa footer, dito again sa sa widget, look for the widget called menu. Okay, so meron ditong widget na pwede mong i-display yung menu. Ito, navigate menu. Okay, you can add yung menu. Okay, let's say for example yung menu 1, yung ginawa natin, you can just save that and then you will see now yung menus. Ayan. Ayan, ayan. So you can put your menu here. Okay, you can also put the title if you want. Let's say this will be shortcuts or let's say this is menu. Okay? Ayan. So pag refresh mo siya, may lalabas na title. Ayan. Okay? So ganun lang yung pag-add ng menu. Okay? Any questions, guys? Sabi ni Michael, limited ang marketing sa .org unlike sa .com. Correct. Kasi hindi mo siya basta-basta malalagay ng mga short codes like or hindi mo siya basta-basta malalagay ng mga plugins. Okay, Okay, so I think wala nang tanong, guys. If you have any question, you can also approach me sa Facebook. Yung hindi ako maka-chat sa WhatsApp kasi lowbat yung isa kong phone. Okay? So same ano lang siya, same ID meeting and password and link. Okay? So tomorrow, guys, I hope to see you guys again, no? I will upload this sa YouTube later on, then I'll just post it sa group. Okay? So, yun, for the meantime, I hope to see you guys again tomorrow and keep safe, guys, and have a good night. Thank you very much and bye-bye.